The universe is vast, filled with incredible wonders and deep secrets. Astronomers gaze into this darkness using powerful telescopes, revealing amazing sights. This is a story of such a discovery. Imagine looking up at the night sky, seeing countless stars, each part of a galaxy. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, has billions of stars, and there are billions of other galaxies out there. Sometimes these giant galaxies interact, pulled together by gravity. Their paths can cross in space, leading to gentle or dramatic encounters. Recently, astronomers saw something new, a cosmic joust. This was not a full-on collision, but more like a glancing blow. Two galaxies brushed past each other, stirring up stars and gas. It was a truly epic event, a cosmic spectacle for us to see. More than just a galactic bump, galaxies are dynamic, moving and evolving. Gravity shapes galaxies over eons, pulling them into groups and clusters. This closeness leads to interactions crucial for galaxies to grow and change. Most of the time we hear about mergers, where two galaxies combine over millions of years. Stars are thrown around, gas clouds collide, and new stars are born. But a cosmic joust is different. Think of medieval knights jousting. They charge, clash, and pass by quickly. A cosmic joust is similar. Two galaxies pass close, sideswiping each other at high speed. The encounter is brief, and the galaxies don't fully merge. Instead, it's a powerful, quick hit, a gravitational slap. This joust still has dramatic consequences, ripping stars away and compressing gas violently. It is a unique type of cosmic dance. Seeing these events is hard. Galaxies are incredibly far away. The light from them travels for millions, even billions of years. To witness a cosmic joust is rare. Astronomers need powerful eyes and a bit of luck. The Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, were key. JWST sees in infrared light, revealing hidden details of galaxies. Ground-based telescopes also played a part, collecting different kinds of light. Astronomers combined all this data, building a complete picture. The discovery was thrilling. Scientists noticed two galaxies acting strangely. They were moving very fast and were incredibly close to each other. Their shapes were distorted with long streams of stars visible. It matched theories of a high-speed pass, the first clear cosmic joust seen. What did astronomers actually see? It was a breathtaking cosmic show. Imagine two spinning dancers brushing past each other quickly. In this cosmic joust, stars were the costume, pulled by gravity. Long, glowing tails of stars, called tidal tails, were ripped away. These tails stretched for thousands of light years, with millions of stars sent flying. Some stars might fall back into their galaxy, while others drift into intergalactic space. The joust reshaped the galaxy's outlines, making them look stretched and disturbed. It was not just stars on the move. Huge clouds of gas also collided. This created powerful shock waves, heating and compressing the gas. The compressed gas clouds collapsed, triggering starbursts. Suddenly, many new stars lit up, making the galaxy's stellar nurseries. This discovery is a big deal. It changes how we think about galaxies. For a long time, mergers were the main story, explaining many galaxy shapes and star formation bursts. But cosmic jousts offer a new path, showing that galaxies can change fast without fully merging. A quick, powerful interaction can strip away stars and gas, triggering massive star formation. This is a new way for galaxies to evolve, adding another piece to the puzzle. Our models of star formation will improve. As we now know, jousts can trigger starbursts too. The speed and geometry of a joust are unique, possibly leading to different kinds of starbursts. This helps explain galaxy diversity, with some having strange shapes or features. Mergers explain some of this variety, but cosmic jousts might explain others. Understanding them helps us classify galaxies better. You might wonder, why care? These are distant galaxies far away, but this research connects to us. Our own Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4.5 billion years, they will meet. Will it be a merger or a joust first? Understanding these events helps predict our future. This discovery also tells us about the past. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Galaxies have been evolving all that time, shaped by interactions like mergers and jousts. By studying these events, we learn history, seeing how galaxies like ours formed. Galaxies do not exist in isolation. They are part of a larger structure called the cosmic web. This is where they meet and interact with jousts and mergers happening in this web. Understanding them helps us map the universe. Ultimately, this is about curiosity. Humans have always looked at the stars, wondering about our place. Each new discovery expands our knowledge and deepens our appreciation for the cosmos. This first cosmic joust is just the start, opening up many new questions. How common are these events? Are they as frequent as full mergers, or are they rare, special occasions? Do they happen more in certain environments, like in dense galaxy clusters? Astronomers will now search for more examples, scanning the skies for these fast dances. Future telescopes will be crucial. We are building bigger, better instruments on Earth and in space. They will have sharper vision, be more sensitive to faint light, and see further back in time. These new tools will find more jousts and study them in greater detail. We will learn about the physics involved, how energy and matter are exchanged. The universe is a dynamic stage, a cosmic ballet of immense proportions. Galaxies are the dancers and gravity is the choreographer. We are just beginning to understand the steps, with each observation adding to the music. The story of the cosmos is still being written, and we are part of that story. Our understanding grows with each new insight, and the universe keeps surprising us. So, what is next? More observations, more theories, and more aha moments for scientists. The cosmic joust is a new character, a new move in the galactic dance. It reminds us that space is active, full of energy, action, and transformation. The universe is an amazing, evolving place, and we are lucky to be watching. The cosmic show goes on, and the best seats are right here on Earth.